Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Conversation Journal. I'm Emily. Today you'll meet Tom and Sarah. They're a couple who will help you learn English. Through their everyday life, you'll see real conversations, simple situations that happen every day. These dialogues are perfect for beginners, easy to understand, and very useful. So, are you ready to learn with Tom and Sarah? Let's begin.
Tom loses his keys again.
Sarah, I can't find my keys.
Again? Where did you put them?
I don't know. I'm late.
Check your jacket pockets.
Nothing there.
What about the table?
Not there either.
Did you check the bathroom?
The bathroom? Why there?
You always leave them there.
Oh, you're right. Found them in the bathroom.
See? I know you too well.
I'm so bad with keys.
Maybe wear them around your neck?
Very funny, Sarah.
Tom forgets the milk. Tom, did you go shopping?
Yes, I bought everything.
Great. Where's the milk?
The milk? Oh no.
You forgot it again?
I'm sorry, I forgot.
But it was on the list.
I know.
We need it for breakfast.
I can go back now.
The store is closed now.
Tomorrow morning then?
Fine. We'll use water for coffee.
Water in coffee? Gross.
It's your fault.
You're right. I'm sorry.
Tom's phone dies.
Sarah, oh no!
What's wrong?
My phone! It's dead!
So, charge it.
But my alarm is on it.
Use my phone alarm.
I don't know your password.
It's 1234.
That's a terrible password.
Never mind that now.
What time should I wake up?
Set it for 6 a.m.
6 a.m.? That's so early.
You have a flight tomorrow.
Oh yes, I almost forgot.
See? You need that alarm. Tom's cooking disaster. Tom! Something is burning!
What? Oh no. The rice.
Turn off the stove!
I can't. It's stuck.
Pull harder!
It won't move.
Use a towel!
Good idea. Got it.
Open the windows!
The smoke is everywhere.
What a mess.
I'm sorry. I forgot about it.
What were you doing?
Watching TV?
While cooking?
I know. Bad idea.
Let's order pizza instead.
Yes, please.
Sarah takes the wrong bus.
Sarah, is this the right bus?
Yes, number 42.
Are you sure?
Of course I'm sure.
But we've been on it 20 minutes.
So, it takes time.
This doesn't look right.
What do you mean?
I don't recognize this area.
Really? Oh no.
What's wrong?
This is bus 24, not 42.
What? You're kidding.
Look at the sign.
Oh no. You're right. I told you something was wrong.
This is so embarrassing.
We need to get off now.
Sarah sees a spider. Tom! Come here, quick!
What happened?
There's a spider! A big one!
Where is it?
On the wall, near the bed.
That's not big at all.
It's huge! Kill it, please!
I don't want to kill it.
Then catch it.
With what?
Use a cup.
Okay, stay calm.
I am calm.
You're screaming.
Just get it out.
Got it. I'll put it outside.
Thank you. You're my hero.
It was just a tiny spider.
Not tiny to me. Tom gets locked out.
Sarah, open the door.
Tom, is that you?
Yes, I'm outside.
Why are you knocking?
I forgot my keys inside.
Again? This is the third time.
I know, I'm sorry.
Wait, I'm coming.
Thank you. It's cold out here.
Where are your keys?
On the kitchen table, I guess?
You need to be more careful.
I know.
Maybe we need a spare key?
Good idea. Where should we hide it?
Under the doormat?
Too obvious. Everyone looks there.
You're right. Bad idea.
Sarah can't fix the Wi-Fi.
Tom, the internet isn't working.
Really? Are you beside the router?
Yes, I can't watch my show.
Did you restart the router?
How do I do that?
Turn it off and on again.
Which button?
The red one.
Nothing is happening.
Wait 30 seconds.
I'm waiting. Still nothing.
Check the cables behind it.
Oh, this one is loose.
Plug it back in.
It's working now.
See? Easy fix.
I thought it was broken.
You always think that.
Sarah forgets their anniversary.
Sarah, where are you going?
Out with my friends.
But isn't today special?
Special? What do you mean?
You know, today's date?
It's Thursday.
Yes, but what date?
The 15th. Why?
The 15th, our anniversary.
Oh no, I forgot.
I can't believe you forgot.
I'm so sorry.
I even bought you a gift.
You did? I feel terrible.
You should.
I'll make it up to you.
How?
Dinner tomorrow? Anywhere you want.
Okay. But don't forget a gun.
Never, I promise.
Tom and Sarah lose each other.
Tom, where are you?
I'm here, in the bread aisle,
Where? I can't see you.
near the milk section.
There's no milk section here.
Are you in the right store?
What? Of course I am.
What store are you in?
Supermart. Where are you?
I'm in Megastore.
Oh no. We went to different stores.
How did that happen?
You said the usual store.
I meant Megastore.
I thought you meant Supermart.
This is so confusing.
Just come to Megastore now.
Okay, I'm coming.
And bring the shopping list.
I thought you had it.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share. Subscribe to our channel for more content. More Sarah and Tom adventures are coming soon. See you next time. Goodbye.